What up guys, on this channel we talk about crypto mining, crypto airdrops and other investments based on crypto, but this is not a financial advice, it's just to find a way to make money together online. So in this video I'll be giving you guys two updates. The first one is the SpideSRC, how to swap your 10% token into the USDT, and you'll be seeing it live in this video. And the second one is the Sidra chain, how to do your P2P verification. And also SpideSRC is giving out $100 for the people that unlock the most SRC every week. You can also check that update on their Telegram channel as I'm showing you right. So let's get straight into the video. This is the SpideSRC. So, and as you can see now, it's trading at 0.043. So coming straight down to the assets now, this is one of the best passive income I made in 2023. Because I've made withdrawal so many times, so this is why it's remaining just this in my account. So you can see I've already staked this $25 again, and this is the returns. So if you click on the AI orders now, here you can see I've staked and it's already 5 days, and I'm waiting for last like 2 days to complete the AI trade to continue another trade. So it's a double win here. So the more I trade, I get passive income, and I also unlock the SRC, which I'm going to be converting into the USDT in this video. So the link to the original video and other updates on this site is in the link in the description box. You can also watch it if you don't know about this site before. So now I want to make some swap, so just follow me as I do this. So the next thing to do here is to go directly to the exchange. So once you get to the exchange, it's not going to give me everything I unlocked. So this is the 10% of what I unlocked. So when I click on all now, I have 10% of what I've unlocked already. So you can see you can see it in USDT. So you just enter your funding password, then you click on confirm. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to join the Telegram channel. Let's go on to the video. So we can see now on the transaction record that I got 3.5 USDT ready. So I have another 14 days before I could swap another 10% of what I have unlocked already. So I guess before then I'll unlock a lot, so I'll just wait for 14 days before I can do another unlocking. So going back to my asset now, you can see the 3.5 USDT has just joined to my USDT balance, which I can withdraw instantly. You understand that? And as you can see, I still have a lot of SRC token that I can unlock, but I hope I have a big capital just to fund this site in order to unlock a lot and make a lot. You understand? So in order not to waste our time, let's move forward to the second agenda of the day, which is the Sidra P2P verification method. So you can see when I talked about this Sidra Bank, I talked about all this verification process, but I didn't talk about this P2P verification very specifically. So now I'll be specifying on this. You can see to proceed, you need at least 2 users to confirm your identity. So that is what I'll be doing in this video. So on the Sidra chain site, I'll be clicking on this ledger sign over here. So once I click on the ledger sign, it's going to bring a lot of users for you. So you can see their KYC status here. So you can see need selfie video. You won't attend to that kind of person because that person hasn't done a verification on his selfie. So now you need to check others. So now I've seen 2 people with P2P verification needed. You can see that. So the first and the second, but I prefer people with pictures. So when I went to check the time, it's just 1 minute. So I'll just click on the username now. So you can see lots of details about the person. You click on its username. So now all we're doing here is just clicking on the P2P. So once you click on the P2P, it's going to request from that person to confirm your request, and you guys just do the P2P verification needed. You just follow the due process. But now it's not open yet, so I just hope this week or next it will be open. So that's why I'm just showing you the process, so that once it's open again, you just further to do it, because some people did their own last month and some are still struggling with their own, but now they had to close it and we're waiting for it to reopen this week or probably next, or whenever the CEO is ready to. So if you remember very well, I said 2 people. So now we've done the first person, for example. So you need to go back to the same ledger book. So once you get there, you can see this one with 400 token already, and it has a picture. So let me just try it, and it just have like 25 seconds. So it's still very active now. So I'll just click on the P2P as I said earlier on, and I'll just do the due process, and if they accept, yeah, we're good to go. So that's how it works. So just thanks for watching. Love you all. See you in my next video. Stay always blessed.